Hello friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about a formula by which we find out the sum of angle in a polygon. Okay, there is a formula by which the sum of angle in a polygon can be find out, right? So we will derive this formula. Okay, as as I proved this in last video, that the sum of angles of triangle 180. Okay, in the last video I proved this. Okay, today we will derive a formula by which you can find the sum of angle no matter how many sides available on in this how many sides are in this in that polygon. Okay, assume that 12 side, having 12 side, what is the sum of angle of that polygon, right? Today we will derive this formula by which you can find the sum of angles having any number of sides in that polygon, right? Let us start. You can see that here in this quadrilateral, if we draw this line, how many triangles are formed in this quadrilateral? As you can see that two triangles, 180, the sum of this and this and this is 180. And what is the sum of this angle and this angle and this angle? Because these angle are made in a triangle, right? 180. Then we can say that 180 into 2, okay, which gives us 360, right? Next, if we see in this pentagon, then we can see that here one triangle, and if we draw this line, then we can see that here three triangles have been formed. Okay, then we can say that 180 and 180 into 3, what is the value? 540, right? Then by using this we can form a formula such as here 180 multiply by how many sides are there in this triangle? 3 sides. 3 minus 2, then what will we get? 80 into 180 degree, right? Similarly, we can see here that 180 into 4. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write 4 minus 2 is equal to 180 into 4 minus 2 is 2. What will we get? 360, right? Then what can we do here? Here three triangles. How many sides are there in this pentagon? 5 sides. 5 minus 2 is equal to 180 into 3. Okay, 5 side minus 2, 3, 80 into 3, 80 into 3. Here this can be seen also, 180 into 2, 180 into 2, right? This, then 180, right? 180 and 180 into 180, right? Then we can say that here we this can be seen that the angle 180 degree when multiplied by the difference of side and 2, the difference multiplied by the difference of number of side and 2, then we can get the we can find the sum of angle in that polygon, right? So we can write here in this form number of side. If we have a polygon having side 10, what will the sum of the angle of that polygon? Assume that n is equal to 10, then if sum of angle is equal to what? 180. What is the n? The formula is n minus 2. So 180. What is the n? Where n is number of sides, right? Number of sides, and 10 minus 2, right? What is the value of sum of this polygon having number of side 10, right? 180 into 8, right? When we multiply this by 8, 0, 8 8s are 64, 4, 8 1s are 8 or 6, 14. The sum of all angle in that polygon is 1440, right? We don't have to learn the sum of angle except triangle. If we learn the sum of angles of triangle, by using this we can find out the sum of any polygons, sum of angles of any polygon, right? And if we have find out this, then we 540. Let us take another example such n is a polygon having a 12 side, number of side is 12. What will be the sum of the angle of that polygon, right? What is the formula? Sum of angle sum is equal to angle sum is equal to 180 multiply by number of side 12 minus 2, right? Then what is the value? 180 into 12 minus 2, 10. Then we will get 1800, the sum of angles in that polygon, right? I hope you understood this formula and try again and again this formula, right? Thank you for watching towards the end. Bye. See you soon in the next video.